Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Pycharm professional or scientific features, and a working Python interpreter. Create or open your project so files are in one place. Then install Jupyter and Apparel into that interpreter so Pycharm can run notebooks. Once done, in Pycharm choose New Jupyter Notebook, and name it. This immediately creates the notebook UI. You can run cells, see outputs, and save checkpoints, so you get interactive results without leaving the IDE. Now focus on kernel configuration and execution flow. You must select the project interpreter as the notebook kernel so imports match your environment. If packages are missing, use Pycharm's terminal or settings to pip install them. Once installed, restart the kernel. Execute code with Shift plus Enter, or use Execute All for full runs, and split logic into code versus markdown cells for readability. Make sure to save checkpoints and use the variable viewer to inspect state. This helps you debug. To finish, export or convert your notebook based on the next step. Export to Py for scripts or keep IPN for interactive sharing. Commit notebooks using Pycharm's VCS integration and consider clearing outputs to keep diffs clean. If something goes wrong, first check the kernel. Recreate the virtual environment, reinstall Apparel, and reattach the kernel in Pycharm. If errors persist, restart Pycharm and validate interpreter paths. These fixes resolve most connectivity and dependency mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.